Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create YouTube shorts in minutes using Canva and ChatGPT. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Let's start with ChatGPT. So this is a computer program or a website powered by artificial intelligence that can have text-based conversations with people. So it is actually designed to understand and respond to human language, making it seems like chatting with a real person even though it is just a computer program. So ChatGPT can answer questions, provide information, generate texts, and hold conversations on a wide range of topics. So it has a variety of potential uses, from assisting with research to providing customer support. So essentially, this is a virtual chatbot that uses advanced AI technology to engage in text-based conversation and provide helpful responses. So you'll just need to head onto this website in here so that you could view the different details that it offers. So as you can see in here, these are the different methods on what OpenAI or ChatGPT do. And there are also some limitations that you need to take a note of, and there are a lot of details as well in here. So for you to be able to view this as well, you'll just need to search onto your local browser OpenAI or ChatGPT, and you should be able to see that one already. Now, once you're already onto the website, you'll just need to click onto the bottom here, onto the middle part, the Try ChatGPT, so that you should be able to get redirected onto the right page. So this is actually where we would paste in some prompts so that this will give us something that would help us onto generating the video ideas. So we'll type it in here in the send a message, and there are some examples as well that you can see in here that you could try out. So we also have the GPT-4 already, which is the most capable model, great for tasks that require creativity and advanced reasoning. So you need to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus to use that. So we're just going to use ChatGPT 3.5 in here since this is free. Now I have prepared a prompt onto the video description below, specifically designed to generate 50 sets of video ideas. So these sets include a topic, part 1 and part 2, and then you'll just need to paste it in here so that we could generate them. So as you can see, create me 50 sets of facts in the same style as the below examples and format them in a table where one column is a topic, one column is a part 1, and one column is a part 2. Do not repeat any facts, and this should be psychology facts, crush facts, male facts, girl facts, relationship facts, and more. They'll be formatted as a topic or type of fact, part 1 and then part 2. And then you could also change these things in here like the psychology facts or the crush facts onto something that you would like to have as a topic. To keep the facts engaging, polarizing, over the top, and relatable to everyone or people in particular situation. So just review the prompt right after, and you could change some things that you don't want to see and replace it to what you want to achieve onto your own video. Then right after, you'll just need to head onto the bottom part, onto the green button, click onto it to have it generated. So you'll just have to wait for this, and you'll need to click onto continue generating if it stops, since this is a lot. And then right after, we'll just need to wait again, and we'll need to type in another prompt that I'll provide onto the video description below. So this has come up with 15 more using the same specification, and don't repeat the previous ones. So you can adjust the quantity based on your needs, but I recommend sticking to around 30 to 50 for better quality. So let's try to change this one out to 30 in here, and then let's regenerate. Right after its generation, I'll just need you to copy everything in there or the table so that you should be able to paste it onto the other platform. Now for the next platform that we're going to use, we have here is Canva. So just a quick overview if you don't know what Canva is. It is an online graphic design platform that simplifies the process of creating visual content. So it provides an easy to use interface with a wide range of templates, graphics, and tools that enable users to design everything from social media graphics and presentations to posters and flyers. So with Canva, you don't need any advanced design skills or software expertise. It is accessible, and you could just simply click on to sign up for free to create an account, or you'll just need to click on to login and if you have an account already. So this is what Canva's dashboard looks like. So here into the middle part are the different categories that you could choose, and we have our search bar that we could utilize. So you'll just need to click onto the search bar in there and then type in YouTube Shorts so that you should be able to find in the template that we're going to use. So click onto that to the YouTube Shorts, and then it will redirect you onto the YouTube Shorts templates. So you could browse high quality YouTube Short templates for your next design in here. So you could see the different templates in here, and what we're gonna do is just simply click onto the blank one in here, so that you'll get redirected to a blank canvas. Now onto the left side, you should be able to see the different things in there or some tools that you could use. You'll just need to head on to apps in there, and then right after you should head on to the video section. So click onto that, and then right after you'll need to search in something that you would like to use for your video creation. So you could try to search a beach in there, or you could try to type in sunset so that you should be able to see some sunset in there. So as you can see, it will give you a lot of options to choose from. And if you have noticed that there might be some crowns onto other videos, so those videos are only available to Canva Pro. So you need to upgrade to another plan if you want to use that. There are just some options for you that are free in here. You could just simply click to the one that you've liked without the crown options. Now we'll just need to resize the video that you have added in there so that it would fit just like that. Then right after, you'll just need to update the duration of it, since we just need 5 to 6 seconds for the videos, and since this is too long, we'll just trim it like that. So let's leave it at around 6 seconds and then click on to done. Now we need to make sure that there won't be any background noises for this one. So we'll just need to head onto the volume section here onto the upper part, click onto this and fully mute the video so that there won't be any noises for that. So the next thing that we'll do is to add in the topic title and also add in the parts. So we're just gonna use this heading in here for the topic title. So we're gonna change this to topic, and then right after you could change the font in here, font size, or you could add in any effects or styles for that. So let's just try to edit this and also add in the part 1 and the part 2. So what you'll need to do is you could just simply duplicate the different things, and onto the part 1 we could try to use another style for that so that it won't look like the same onto the topic title. So for the part 2, we'll just need to duplicate that, and we'll just need to change this to part 2. Now the next thing that we'll do is to change the timing for this. So we'll just need to go ahead and click onto each one and then click on the timing, and then you could just drag and drop it like that. So we could leave it as to that, and the part 2 as well, let's leave it to 2.5. Then right after, we'll just need to go ahead and resize this one out. So let's put it like this, like inside that small circle inside the video. So let's do it like that as well for the part 1 so that it would look good. Then the next thing that we'll need to do is to head onto the apps again and then click onto this bulk creation. So this is actually where the magic happens. So we will connect our data to the template to automate the creation process. So we'll just need to paste it in here, the data that we have gathered from ChatGPT. However, we need to upgrade for a Canva Plus to use this feature. But since we're just using the free feature, we won't be able to use that one. But just a quick overview on what you'll need to do. You'll just need to copy the things that you have onto ChatGPT. So we have it for the topic, part 1, and then for the part 2. And then you'll just need to head back onto the Canva in here, onto that feature, so that you could paste a different detail. So Canva will recognize the different parts of the videos, and you'll just need to ensure the timing is set correctly so each part appears when it should. So once you've connected everything, you'll just need to click on to continue and then generate, and then Canva will create your videos. So these will generate the 50 videos that you have generated from ChatGPT. And then right after, onto the upper part, you should see the share button in there wherein you could go ahead and download it. So since this is just one videos, but if it generated already the 50 plus videos, you could see the save separately option so that you could download each video as a separate file. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create YouTube shorts in minutes using Canva and ChatGPT. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.